Hi, this is Asing. Today I'd like to share how to download barcode font that can be used in Excel. First, we go to Google Chrome or any browser. In the search engine, we type barcode 128 font free download. And we look for download free font code 128. What we have to do here is just look for the types of barcode that we like. For example, let's say we prefer barcode 39 last bar, then we just have to download here. Once it's completed, open the file that we downloaded. We just have to double click on the font file, put 39, then click on install. Installation is complete. Restart the computer and we can now make use of the form. We just have to click the form and we will obtain the barcode. And let's say we have a number that Excel automatically change it to scientific number. For example, we have a long number here. Change to scientific. What we have to do here is first convert to text. We can make use of the apostrophe, then only we convert to barcode. Otherwise, as we can see, let's say it's scientific number. When we convert, the barcode will in terms of scientific number as well. This barcode allows us to use with character as well, as we can see here, with the correct barcode. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.